Yeah guys, today I put some stew peas. Yeah, my peas are almost cooked, my peas are almost cooked. Yeah. So now I put in the chicken back, the chicken wings. I use two different meat today. Let me show you all. Yeah, so my chicken back and my chicken wings, my onions and my carrots, and some flour, yeah. You don't know things set up, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in the chicken back and let it go and boil. You don't know things set up, peas are almost cooked already, so I'm gonna put in the chicken back. Put the chicken back on the stove and let it boil. I'm gonna boil up for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna close the pot. Yeah guys, so now we marinate the chicken peas. I have some ground seasoning for the kitchen. Guys, this is what you are gone. Guys, you know like come in the kitchen and do bad. You understand all these, so I'm gonna put in the chicken back and let it boil. One hour bad. One hour to come up. One hour bad. Chicken back then with the peas and one hour bad. One hour bad guys. One hour. Yeah guys, so just watch what I go on in the kitchen today. Stew peas. And me now do it like how me do it the last time with the turkey wings and the big dumpling. No, me I make this a stew peas and normal. You understand me I do with the long dumpling and just watch what I go on guys. You know like what I go on. Some peas like what of peas. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna make this go and boil. And we're gonna see what happens. You understand me I do you like when the peas come boil till them bust. Although them boil already in the boat. You see it, yeah, more of them boil till them bust. So guys, just watch what I go on in Nicholas' kitchen today. Guys, look what I go on with the stew peas back in the kitchen. Them a boil up. And it go and boil. You understand what I do? Guys, we have a speak here. Yeah guys, look what I go on in the stew peas back. They a boil. Just me can put in the carrot and me rub already. Let them go and boil for some minutes and let it keep boiling. You understand what I do? Boil. And let it back boil out. You understand me? Yeah. So guys, me wanna go pan leave off. So stay tuned. Watch how I go on. I'm gonna watch out all the peas over there. Yeah. My carrot and onions over there. So those peas them up already. And some flour go on. So you understand me? Yeah. Me have some ground season in the fridge. And me have a coconut powder. Me now have the coconut milk today. So guys, me I use what me have today. You don't know where you go. Guys, look what I go on. See what I go on? Yeah. Oh, guys, that one there I go turbo. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I go put in me carrot and me Irish and me dumpling. Yeah, me no want them to mash up. Yeah guys, you see what I go on over here, so yeah. Guys, that one there bad. Believe that. That one there bad. Yeah guys, so me I go do me make that one boil. Then me put in my dumpling. So watch what I go on in the kitchen guys. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on in the pot now. You see that? Yeah. That's true, you go bad. Remember that. I'm gonna put my ground season them yet. You understand what I did? That one I go terrible. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this are the ground season I'm gonna use. My pepper, my scallion, thyme, and piece of rosemary. See my flour them, I go put in my flour now. So watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, so I go put in my flour, you know, you understand me I did. Then I put in my coconut powder. I go put in my coconut powder first, make it go and boil. And then I put in the flour. So stay tuned and watch what I go on in my kitchen, guys. Be a badness. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I put in my coconut powder, you know. You understand me I did, yeah. So now making go and boil. But soon for now, I go put in my flour them. Yeah. Make this go and boil liquor. Go and cook. I go put in Maggi chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna put the Maggi chicken here. Yeah. No, me not. Yeah, me I go use it. I go use it night. I go use the Maggi are inside it. Believe me, I go use it. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So now make this go and boil, and then I put in my flour. Yo, guys, the pot smell good. Nah, lie if you tell you. Believe that. Pot smell real good. So you know what I go do now? I go make my flour them and put in my flour. You understand what I did? I'm making go and go down. Put in me ground season them after and cover him making go and cook down. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah. Yeah guys, watch what I go on here so. See that it pot full. Believe me. And I mostly meat and something take up a pot, meat and the peas. You see that guys, watch it. Oh wow. So guys, guess what I do now? I make it go and go down. Yeah. So stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, it's bad. I not like it tell them I make it just go and boil down, you know. Then me take it off. So now we'll see what I go on and it finish. Guys, look. Look what I go on. See that? Yeah. Next 10 minutes, I'm lock off the stove. Yo, it bad. Believe that. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. It bad. Yeah guys. So that are the finishing look of my stew. I go show you when in the plate. Yeah. Don't cook on the stove and also I go show you when in the plate. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look of my stew peas. Yeah. Guys, me not lie, bad. This are the finishing look of my stew peas, guys. Look on it. You see that? Yeah.